Have you ever scrolled through social media and seen those sleek ads promising you can be your own boss, an investing guru, finally ditching the 9-to-5? They all seem to have one thing in common: invest with Questrade. Intriguing, right? But before you jump in with both feet, the big question looms: is Questrade safe? Because let's be honest, investing can feel like navigating a financial jungle. There are tigers of volatility, rogue broker fees, and a whole ecosystem you might not fully understand. So, the safety of your hard-earned money absolutely matters. That's where this video comes in. We'll be dissecting Questrade, understanding its security measures, account protection, and the overall reputation of the company. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether Questrade is the right fit for your financial goals. First things first, Questrade is a Canadian discount brokerage firm. That means you get to make your own investing decisions, buying and selling stocks, ETFs, and other financial products, without a fancy financial advisor whispering in your ear and charging hefty fees for the privilege. Now, discount brokers get a bit of a bad rap sometimes. People might think discount translates to cut corners on safety. But that's not necessarily true. In fact, Questrade boasts a number of features designed to keep your money secure. Let's talk about account protection. Questrade is a member of the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, CIPF. This government-backed insurance program kicks in if Questrade were to go belly up. It wouldn't cover all your losses, but it would insure your eligible securities for up to $1 million. That's $1 million safety net, folks. Here's another layer of security: segregation of assets. This means your cash and securities are held separately from Questrade's own assets. So, even in the unlikely event of bankruptcy, your investments wouldn't be used to pay off Questrade's debts. They'd be returned to you. On the tech side of things, Questrade uses encryption to scramble your data, making it a pain for any would-be hackers to crack. They also offer two-factor authentication, which adds an extra step to the login process, making it even harder for unauthorized access. So far, so good, right? Secure accounts, insured investments. But security isn't just about bells and whistles. Let's talk about Questrade's reputation. The company has been around for over 20 years, which is a good sign in the ever-changing world of finance. They're also heavily regulated by the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada, IIROC, which ensures they follow strict rules and best practices. Here's where things get a little more subjective. Online reviews can be a great way to get a feel for a company's customer service. Questrade has a mixed bag. Some users rave about their user-friendly platform and helpful customer support. Others complain about slow response times or complex fee structures. It's important to remember, every online experience is unique. But reading reviews can give you a sense of the potential pros and cons. Alright, so we've covered account protection, security measures, and even dipped our toes into customer sentiment. But remember, security is just one piece of the puzzle. Before you dive headfirst into Questrade, consider your own investing experience. Are you a seasoned stock picker or a complete investing newbie? The platform might be a breeze for experienced traders, but overwhelm beginners. Do your research, understand the fees involved, and most importantly, only invest what you can afford to lose. The stock market, by its very nature, has its share of ups and downs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.